Ah, in my nice warm car. We got the winter storm thing going on. I don't know if the windows actually work. I'm sure that's a mistake. I can't get over there because this jerk is parked too close to me. Yep, that wasn't a good idea. I'll have to go over there and clean that. But we're supposed to get, what was it, 20 centimeters of snow overnight, and then it's supposed to warm up, and we'll get even more. It'll be interesting to see just how bad the roads are and how many stupid people are out. That's what I got the dash cam for. So stay tuned. Alright, my apologies for the wind noise, but I'm making the decision, given the way that things are, that I'm going to head over to the other place because it's closer to work for tomorrow. I don't have to do much car cleaning because the wind is just nuts out here, and this is fine powdered snow. So although this side of the car got hit pretty good, it's just blowing off everything else. Wow. Let me clean this off here, and we'll see how bad the driving is. I don't think it'll be too bad. I think most of the problem is going to be overnight tonight. Because I didn't get stuck there this time. Oh my god, look at the snow blowing. I'll probably turn that off. Look at the snow blowing. Oh crap. Not nice. Not nice. Oh man. Look at it. Craziness. Alright, let's see if I can get onto the main road here. This ought to be interesting. This almost never works. Thank goodness for a car with traction control. Boy, I would hate to be a bus right about now. Oh man. Look at the wind. The wind is just crazy. It's not the snow, it's the wind. Look at the snow. Man. My car will be buried by tomorrow morning. I might have to get up early and clean it off early. Huh, of course, it seems to have died as soon as I turned the camera on, but the wind was going nuts. Just a second ago. You might even kind of be able to see it in some of the trees there. Also, check out the snow on the balcony. There's a little bit of it. You might even be able to hear that. It'll be interesting to see how things are in the morning. I'm not overly optimistic, though. It's like tornado mode. It doesn't really work all that proper. It might be a repair video in the future. I think all it needs is some oil, but it's a slow starter. I don't think it's got a humidity sensor or delay start on it or anything like that, so... Anyway, it's the next morning, and allegedly, it is 2 degrees outside and raining. See my car over there. Coated in crap, probably ice, so that's going to be fun and entertaining to clean. I think I hear a something somewhere, so they're probably cleaning something right now, which is good. Yeah, that's exactly what that sounds like to me. So we'll see what our drive into work is like today. It is right now 6:06. Well, it's not too bad. Not too bad looking. Of course, all this stuff is now thick packing snow because it's warm out. Said it was raining. It's not raining. Alright. Let's see. What kind of state's the car in? I used to have neighbors that parked beside me on both sides, but not anymore. I'm on my own. Yeah. Well, that might not be good. But if it comes off like that, ain't nothing to complain about. We'll see. Alright, verdict is that it really wasn't too bad to clean that off. In fact, actually, that was surprisingly easy to clean off. My defroster's on, right? Yeah. You can see there. Hello. That we're pretty clean. Now, while I was cleaning, I could hear the traffic report. And it was a lengthy traffic report, so I don't know about this. Probably should have just taken the day off work. But, oh well, it's too late for that now. So we'll see how this goes. Oh, that's not really working. Well, it's not too bad. At least there's nobody behind me, so I can get away with doing stuff like that. Let's see if I can come out of here. There's a fine mist. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe it's just the window. ABS. Whoa. Yeah. Like I was saying the other day, it's amazing for a city that gets as much snow as we do, how unprepared they are every time we have a snowstorm. It's kind of ridiculous, really. I'm not plowing through that. That's ridiculous. I feel sorry for the people that are walking. No way I'm going through that. That's crazy. That is insane. This road's clean, though. That's nice. Wow. Holy crap, clean road. There's some moron with no headlights on. There you go. So it looks like, for the most part, they've done a pretty good job of plowing things. But, except for the side streets. Funny thing, that. Okay, well this isn't too bad either. Looks like there's some fog here. Probably because I'm right next to the water. Okay, let's see how bad work is. See if they actually cleaned anything. Well, that's kind of impressive. Yeah, actually did something. Huh. Nice. Oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah, so we didn't clean this very well. We'll probably go slide in here in a second. That'll be good. We're good. Get the window off a little bit. Yeah, we've made it. No, I made it. They kind of cleaned this parking lot, but not really. You know, like it usually is. Roads are surprisingly clean. I was quite impressed. Although, as per the usual, none of the side streets have been done. So, that's probably going to be fun to get back home later today. But I guess it's going to be doing a little bit of thawing anyway, so maybe it won't be too bad. Sounds like there's ice going on out there now. Nice. Suppose it would probably be a prudent thing to clear the snow before this ice has a chance to accumulate too badly. It might be a mix of snow and ice. Hard to tell. Yeah, 2 major snowfalls in the same week. What fun. Listen to the sound of snowblowers. Using the waterproof camera. Not that it makes much of a difference, but my phone's charging right now, so look at that. Don't think I'm going anywhere today. Of course, I got a bullet to dodge still because snowplow's gotta still come and clean this. Goodness only knows when that's gonna happen. It's funny, it's the middle of winter. My allergies are still going nuts. I don't know what the hell is going on. It's very weird. I was hoping to have the yardstick somewhere around here, but if it's around, I can't find it. It used to be back here. But of course, it's not there anymore. So I don't know where it would have gone. Up here would be the other thing I would think. Oh, it is there, I think. Yeah, there it is. Centimeters or meters? Or sorry, inches. Let's see here. I don't know if I can actually do this. I think everything's been too snowed in, but we'll try it. Just north of 25 centimeters. I do find doing this neat, even if it does make a mess. Wow. Better clean that up though. People might get upset. Look at that snow. Looks like it's actually winter. Of course, it's getting colder out, so now this stuff that's packed down here is like ice. I was hoping to get out a little bit sooner so that there'd actually be some light for me to do this, but well, I didn't get it. I didn't get out soon enough. I probably should have grabbed the phone because that would have been the better thing to do. Well, let's take a look here and see how much snow there is when it's all said and done. Find somewhere unmolested here. Oh, it's hard to see, but it's less than 30. In fact, I think it's less than what it was before, which I suppose makes sense, considering it was actually pretty warm for a lot of the day, and it's still fairly warm out right now. I don't know what the temperature actually is. I don't think my watch has updated. I suppose I could check it. Oh. 1 degree. Yeah, I don't know when that updated. So it's pretty close to that. Look at the sky. Huh. I think I'm gonna put some salt on the sidewalk. Well, wind is going nuts still, but I think the storm is pretty much over. I grabbed the phone, but go figure. There's no salt out here. It actually looks kind of cool the way that's going on. Like I said, I cleaned off the car. Or maybe I said I cleaned off the car, but if I didn't, I cleaned it off. Wouldn't have had to if juvenile individuals that live here would quit drawing penises in the snow on it. Which I wish I could tell you is a joke, but it's not. They do. I haven't been by the other place yet. Wow. The wind really picked up. But, I haven't been by the other place yet, but I'm pretty sure I have no parking spot because I think that they haven't cleaned that parking lot up. Although maybe with as much snow as we got, they might actually have done so. It's been a thing. A tractor parked in front of the parking lot for a while, so maybe they'll actually have done something. But I guess I'll check tomorrow because I don't really want to check tonight. And I think that we still have, got a parking ban in effect. They did clean the street, which is amazing. So I guess on that note, that's pretty much it. Look at this thing of ice. It's kind of cool, actually. But that's pretty much it for winter storm. 2 storms in a week. You know, it's finally decided it's going to be winter, which is nice. I just wish that it wouldn't have done it all in the same week. Maybe spread out over a couple days, 5 centimeters over the course of a week would be a lot better than 2 dumpings of nearly 30 and a warm-up after both of them. So I don't think we ended up getting nearly as much as they said that we were going to, but it certainly looks impressive.